Be careful of where you apply for credit. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, you can hurt your credit score if the lender is using a hard inquiry. If you are a startup business, before you apply, make sure the lender works with a business as new as yours. If you have credit problems, make sure the lender can work with someone with your credit score and the reasons behind your low credit score. Get in the habit of paying your bills on time. 35% of your score comes from how you pay your bills. If you are a habitual late payer, your credit score will suffer. You need credit cards and loans to have a credit score, and to show that you can now handle your credit and you're making all your monthly payments on time. Be careful with closing credit card accounts. It can actually hurt your credit score if you are closing your oldest accounts or the accounts with large credit lines. Use a secured credit card or secured loan to build credit. It's a great way to not just get financing but to rebuild credit, especially when you have credit problems. Diversify your trade lines, and don't forget about comparable credit. Don't limit yourself to just applying for credit cards. Pay off your debt. Create a plan to reduce your debt as you may be cutting into your credit utilization. The more you pay off, the more you have available, and the higher your credit score will be. Use your credit card regularly but wisely. Long gaps between using your card and barely using it will make creditors either close the account or reduce your credit limit. Always keep in mind you want to build credit, not be in debt. Remember that increasing your credit score is a process that takes time. Follow these tips and a better score will be on the way.